back to the channel. This is our Sunday Reset collab video hosted by our amazing friend Angel McMillan, Angel McMillan 16. We'll have her channel linked in the description box below, as well as the playlist, so please check her out, and everyone on the playlist are all amazing. So if you're ready, let's get started. We hope you enjoyed this Sunday Reset video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to click that little bell icon so you know when next video is coming out. And we will have Angel's channel linked in the description box below, and also link to the playlist. So don't forget to check all of them out. They're all amazing. And as always, all of our social media will be linked in the description box below. And thank you for watching.